The day is really random, but I have a low carb tortilla split in half, so it's 3 net carbs. And I have 2 hot dogs, and these are, let me actually show you the package. These are the Nathan's all natural uncured beef franks, no nitrates, and it's 150 calories for one, less than 1 carb, and 13 grams of fat, 5 protein. And this is a really, ow, it's hot. A really random meal, but these are my buns. And I'm gonna put some G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup and a little bit of mustard, and I'm gonna eat this. Okay, well that was a cute little meal, or snack, shall we say. I'm still hungry, but I didn't tell you guys, I just worked out for an hour, so I did a lot of weight training, and I get really hungry after weight training. So I'm gonna have a cheese stick, and then after I eat this cheese stick, I'm actually gonna have a little protein shake. I've been trying to intake more protein lately, in hopes that it will help my hair, because I feel like my hair is falling a lot. Like, it's always been falling a lot ever since doing keto, but I heard that if you have more protein, it'll help that. I guess it's from the collagen. I do want to get collagen, but it's expensive, so I'm gonna eat this and I will show you guys my protein shake. So this is the protein that we've been using recently. Well, I had a different one, but this is the one we were using before, and we went back to it. Okay, so this is by Designer Protein. It's the light protein, low calorie, natural protein, chocolate cookies and cream. 10 grams of protein, no added sugar, and 60 calories per scoop, I believe. Yeah, per 1 scoop. So, and then 0 grams of fat for the 1 scoop, and 1 net carb, and half a gram of sugar. And like I said, it's not added sugar. So I'm gonna put this Almond Breeze unsweetened original. I'm just gonna use 1 cup. Why is it so blurry? There we go. 1 cup and 1 scoop. And we're gonna blend it up. I'll put 1 ice cube in there when I blended it, just so that it was cold. I'm gonna be leaving to work soon, and I wanted to bring a little snack for my break. This is just another one of those low carb tortillas, and this is all natural, freshly ground peanuts, so peanut butter. I just started getting this. I love it so much. It's like in between crunchy and creamy peanut butter, and it's just peanuts ground. Like, that's the only ingredient. And it's freshly ground, like you do it yourself at the store. They have this little like knob. So there's, I want to say 2 net carbs per serving, and I think this is 2 tablespoons, so I think this is a serving, but whatever. I don't really count calories, or like I kind of keep a general carb count in my head, but like I don't really care about calories or whatever. And I know, like with fat and protein, like I just already feel like I know how much is enough, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is just a little snack for me. I have a little bit of confectioner's swerve on top, just because this peanut butter obviously doesn't have sugar on it, so so this makes it a little sweeter. And this is a snack that I like to have, and it'll just kind of like hold me over. I would bring some leftovers, but at this this store that I work at now, they don't have a microwave in the break room, so I have to just bring something like this that I can just snack on real quick. And I always forget that they don't have a microwave, so I forget to account for that and, you know, get certain little foods or snacks for that, but I need to get some like keto bars again because those were nice to take. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that in a plastic baggie. I haven't, since the last time I ate what you guys saw, I had one piece of watermelon like this, like a little bite. But I haven't had anything else. And I did have 2 coffees this morning with heavy whipping cream and stevia. But I never show that because I never want to film like when I'm having my coffee because I'm tired, obviously. And when I get to work, I will show you guys the coffee that I make because I'm definitely going to have a coffee when I get there. And that's usually what also holds me over. Ever since I did this move, I don't really bring dinners to work. I just kind of eat before work, make sure I'm full, drink coffee at work, and then come home and eat another meal. And that's just what I've been doing because they don't have a microwave. So it's just like makes it easier for me to be full before I go there and then just eat when I get home. So I will show you guys the coffee I have while I'm there, and then I'll show you guys what I have for kind of like dinner when I get home from work. So this is actually the second beverage I made myself, but I did have 4 shots of blonde espresso with heavy whipping cream and stevia, so just wanted to let you guys know that. And surprise, surprise, also forgot to film what I ate when I got home from work. So I had this little small Caesar salad, but right before that I had this little bit of leftovers that we had, and it was just ground beef and mashed cauliflower, but there was only a little bit. That's why I also went and had my cinnamon toast chicharrones is what I like to call it. It's this cereal I've been making. I'm completely obsessed. You literally just take plain pork rinds and you melt some butter and coat them in the butter, and then you put confectioner's swerve and cinnamon and just coat it as much as you can. And I put it with almond milk, and I like to splash a little bit of heavy whipping cream. It is so delicious. You have to try it. Don't knock it till you try it. It tastes just like cereal. It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's cinnamon. Oh my God. I'm literally obsessed. So that was my dessert, but it's also filling. So I didn't film an intro or an outro for this video, so I'm just popping in and just wanted to say I really hope that you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. Sorry that I missed like 2 little mini clips. But I don't count calories. I don't worry about that. I generally don't count carbs. But then when I do, I realize that I'm always under 20 pretty much. I would say today, if I was guesstimating on this day, I had around 10 net carbs, I would say. So yeah, I already like know how to eat keto, that I just go with what my body wants, and usually what my body wants is what I need, and I just trust myself. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Maybe it gave you some ideas for your meals and inspired you in some way, shape, and form. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this one, and subscribe to my channel for more keto videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.